About grad parties. And first of all, we need to say congrats to Spike's daughter on her graduation. Congrats to you, Spike. Well done.
That's right.
That's right, yes.
But you guys are
congratulations to Natalie. Natalie's graduating high school, and we're having a big party on Saturday, so we're very excited. We had the ceremony last weekend, and I hope she never forgets the word I text her in the middle of the ceremony to let her know about the rest of her life. In the middle of the ceremony, I just said, boring.
You're so mean.
But now we have the party, which will be a lot more fun.
And the thing that we tweeted this morning, and we were talking about it's trending, is graduation parties and what do you give? And according to Hallmark, 95% of people think the only appropriate gift to give a high school grad is cash.
I
Cold
agree.
hard cash or a check, obviously.
I agree.
And they say that the appropriate amount, $25 for friends.
I disagree.
For
Go
friends.
higher.
But for relatives, close relatives, $50 or more. So how much money should Shannon and I both give Natalie?
For the two of you, because you've had to hear about Natalie for 17 and a half years, I would say maybe approximately $500 would be
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
We have 4 different desserts at this party, so you're getting a good
Right.
deal.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, I still remember the worst gift that I got for my graduation party. Somebody gave me a pen.
And
What do you do with the pen?
How about a briefcase? Yeah. So, hey, guys, we talked about this on our show. We had a mom that called us up whose daughter last year for her graduation got $10,000 from all of the people that came to the party.
Isn't that crazy?
trying to find out the address so I can send them an invite to our party.
Bank.
All right. Well, congrats again, Spike, on the graduation. And hey, you know, we need to give Spike some money. Now he's got to pay for college.
Right.
Good luck with that,
I
fella.
like
That's
the
right,
$500
exactly.
idea, but you give $25 now and then have them sign a contract. So they'll give you the rest whenever you graduate.